something which is given by the schools, and that can work as a bridge between the school and the parents' activity. So that way it's very helpful.
I think in moderation it's good. It shouldn't be so much that a child gets no time for other activities.
My expectation from this event is, since it's interactive and it's more to do with the children themselves, to get some kind of tactics for the children to do homework on their own, not expecting help so much from their parents.
Tips to easing my life flow, because sometimes we lose our patience. If there's a test the next day, and what karenge, but the child does not have that speed. We understand, but we don't know how to, ease that. So look for a healthier environment, interaction tips with my child. That's all.
I'd just like to ask you, hopefully like all of you have, some interest in the issue, which is why you're here. What are some of the key things that you face or you think are possible issues that are related with homework? Some of the key issues. Too much homework, okay, yeah?
Homework's fun.
Who was that? Okay, fun. I'm going to put a little question mark around here. I'm not really sure. Someone said it's difficult. Someone said there's more important things to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you these scenarios and then we're going to open them up to you. Hi Dimple beta, how are you?
Hello Papa.
How was your day?
Good.
Watching Tom and Jerry, huh?
Yes Papa, बहुत बढ़िया आ रहा है पापा, अब देखना जंप करेगा.
चलो तो फिर अपना होमवर्क लेकर आओ, होमवर्क करते हैं.
पापा आपको भी तो भूख लग रही होगी ना, आज पापा डिनर में पिज्जा खाते हैं. हाँ पापा प्लीज.
अच्छा अपना होमवर्क लेकर आओ.
पापा इतना पेट दर्द.
तुम बहुत नौटंकी करती हो. मैं भी तुम्हारे
पिज्जा खाने के बाद ही पढ़ सकते हैं ना.
Okay, freeze. Is that a situation that maybe some of you can relate to?
Absolutely.
Okay, great. What we'd like you to do is one of you to come in, step in, take the part of the parent.
टॉम एंड जेरी ना मजा आ रहा है ना.
मम्मा आप देखना. मम्मा आप जेरी को देखना.
आप मेरे को एक चीज बताओ, याद है वो न्यू टॉय जो मार्केट में आया था जो आपको चाहिए था?
बेब्लेड.
ओ चाहिए अभी भी.
यस मम्मा चलो ना.
आपको याद है हमने क्या डिसाइड करा था? 20 स्टार्स जब मिलेंगे उसके बाद हम लेने जाएंगे.
नहीं मम्मा हो गए 20.
तू बचे.
तो मम्मा
आज मैं अगर आप अभी होमवर्क करोगे ना, आई कैन गिव यू 2 स्टार्स. 20 डेज
मम्मा बेब्लेड ले दो पहले. पक्का प्रॉमिस.
टाइम क्या है?
अभी चलते हैं.
टाइम क्या है? अभी तो पापा भी नहीं आए हैं, गाड़ी भी नहीं है घर में, कैसे जाएंगे? पैदल तो जा नहीं सकते. 15-20 मिनट लगेंगे.
जब आपको अपनी चुन्नी डाई करानी थी मम्मा. नहीं मम्मा हम.
Okay, I think she got you there.
The only incentive is the toy, not the interest in the subject or any learning.
That's right. I think that's the flip side of the incentive strategy. You give an incentive, but the flip side of that is we're not really encouraging self-motivation or looking at the homework as such.
She rightly said it, and after a while, this whole thing of giving incentives becomes such a habit that we just refuse to do things beyond.
You have to buy them more and more.
Yeah,
to get
absolutely.
anything done.
It might be.
Yeah, and it just lose. You tend to lose. Gifting and stuff like that, it loses its charm because they don't look forward to any surprises like we used to in our childhood.
Problems with homework arise because they don't really enjoy doing it. Okay, so I think you have to keep that in mind. If kids really enjoy doing something, they will do it no matter what. You don't have to tell them. You don't have to tell them to do it.
क्या कर रहे हो?
ऑफिस का काम बेटा.
पापा मैं आपके पास बैठ जाऊँ? आपके पास बैठ जाऊँ?
क्यों बेटा, जाके अपने कमरे में बैठो.
नहीं पापा देख लो प्लीज. I just want to sit with you.
अच्छा, but you won't disturb me while I'm working. Promise. Okay, sit.
तो पापा बताओ ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन क्या होता है?
Green Revolution started in 1965 for the increase in production of food in India. Why are you asking me this?
ऐसे ही पापा. आपकी इतनी अच्छी जनरल नॉलेज है पापा. Just wanted to know
And what is that in your hand?
Nothing, Papa. Just history notebook. आप क्या कहते हैं? High yielding?
It's your homework, isn't it?
Homework also, Papa. I have to submit in the morning. आप बताओ ना.
आपको homework कब मिला?
Papa, last Friday.
Oh, last Friday. और आज है Thursday और रात के 10:30 बजे आपको homework याद करना आ रहा है. Dimple, this is becoming a habit. Every time you come at the last moment. This is very, very wrong.
Okay.
तो मैं कब आती बताओ आप बताओ. लास्ट फ्राइडे मिला था तो फ्राइडे शाम को हम चले गए थे ना स्विमिंग में. मेरा स्विमिंग चैंपियनशिप था, राइट. सैटरडे को बुआ आ गई थी. संडे को आपके फ्रेंड के साथ हम फार्म हाउस गए थे स्विमिंग के लिए. मंडे को फिर से मैं स्कूल गई थी. शाम को मेरी बास्केटबॉल क्लास थी. ट्यूसडे को मेरी म्यूजिक क्लास थी इवनिंग में. और वेडनेसडे को मम्मी ने योगा सर को बुला लिया था. एंड टुडे इज थर्सडे एंड 7:30 आई हैव कम बैक पापा डांस क्लास से. देन आई थॉट आई सी एंड आई सॉ आई हैव टू सबमिट दिस पापा. What do you expect from me, Papa? When should I do my homework?
Kids actually are far busier than adults. What is official like working hours for like a normal office going person? 8 hours. Kids are actually putting in a full day of work. More than a full day of work. 7 hours in school, plus all the traveling, coming back, 1.5 hours to 3 hours of homework. How do you find the time? Just the plain physical fact of time.
That's our responsibility to understand that what a child can do. I mean, we should not overburden the child. Knowing that yes, these activities are important. So is the school work. Whether we like it or not, if the school gives the homework, he has to do it. So we must ensure that the time is, like it's not that he's going 10 times for the activities. If that is taking too much time, we cut it short and make sure that he gets his study time and activity time both can have set in, so that he can't crib that, oh, I didn't do the homework because of activity, or vice versa, that I can't go for my music class because there's too much homework.
Yeah.
Cannot get to strike the balance.
Yeah, and I think that is the responsibility of the parent. I hope that sort of brings the point across to like what we were trying to say. And I think there's something, a lot of internal questions that parents have to ask themselves as well in terms of what they expect of their children. And I think some of these issues, of course, like I said, we're not here to prescribe anything. These are things that can only be answered personally in your own journeys with your children and in parenthood. Thank you very much.
Keep up the good work. Thank you.
Intrinsically, I used to feel that maybe homework is not very important. But now my, that intuition is got very, very strong. Somewhere I'm really thankful because they brought this across this point that basically what we want a child, not to become something or impose our expectation, is to be happy. And school इतना time तो पहले ले लेते हैं बच्चे का, फिर homework का भी time. Homework is not really important. Why should parents want to see the progress of the child? Child की personality में reflect करता है कि अपनी age के हिसाब से मोटा how intelligent he has become, or how receptive he is to the environment, what kind of values he is grasping. So every parent knows it. So I don't think homework is, we should give so much of importance to homework.
Such an issue that it should be dealt with quite seriously. Well, it's a matter of the child, the future of the nation. So actually, until unless the parents and the teacher, they are not hand in hand about this issue, I don't think it can be solved. Because they both think that they are passing the buck to each other. And that's not the scenario actually. The thing is, the child should see the atmosphere at home. He should feel, he should be encouraged, he should have the urge to do the homework on his own. Until unless there is that innovation, the child won't be able to do it, and any parent by any means cannot make it happen. So it's better that we do some work on this along with the interaction between the parents and the teacher. Parents should not enforce the things. They should create the atmosphere in the way that at home, like they can also be a part of that. They themselves can encourage by reading and doing other activities along with the child. They should not just make the child sit in a room and do the homework and complete the homework in this much time. So that certainly makes the thing that the child also thinks it's a sort of a burden which I have to just do and throw the copy there. So if the parents also help, they encourage the child, I don't think that there can be any problem in completing the homework as such.
I really did like the session. It was really informative. Some of the questions which were put on us really put you in tight spot. Well, I have a very small child. The issue of homework has not yet come up with me, but yeah, it at least sets you thinking. One thing I learned from this session is what I really need to make my child do at the end of the day is create an interest for doing things. Doing homework, how important it is or not. That little boy, which the clip we saw. So he's said enough about that. I need not say more about that. There's no validity of homework as such been proved. So what I need to do for him at the end of the day is create an interest in things through homework or without homework.
I would like to really thank Max New York for organizing this workshop. These kind of things should happen much more often, and parents need to be educated much more than children, because we are the ones who are putting pressure on our children.
They are coming out with the different problems when the children are facing and the solutions for that. So it's certainly helpful.
Thank you, Max New York Live, and your iGenius page is on my Facebook. It's one of my favorite links. So thank you so much for giving us these workshops. I've attended your earlier workshops also, the last workshop which was on time robbers. I've done that also, and thanks to you, of course, thanks to you.